New to Zoom or need a quick refresher? Here's how to use Zoom for video conferencing, step by step. First, download the Zoom app from the App Store or Google Play. Then sign in or create a free account. On the home screen, you will see four main options: New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. To host a meeting, tap New Meeting. Then choose whether to start with video on or off. Tap Start a Meeting and you're live. From there, you can tap Participants to invite others. Just copy the invite link or send it directly through email or chat. Want to join someone else's meeting? Tap Join, enter the meeting ID or link, and add your name. No account needed. During a call, use the controls at the bottom to mute or unmute, start or stop your video, share your screen, or open the chat box. Tap More to record the meeting or enable live reactions like emojis. When you're done, just tap End and then End Meeting for all. And that's it. Zoom makes video calls easy and reliable, whether it's for work, school, or a virtual hangout. Follow for more how-tos and comment if you want a guide to using Zoom breakout rooms next.